Tired of manually transferring data from Excel to your other apps? Let's bridge the gap between Excel Userforms and N8n, automating your workflows directly from spreadsheet inputs. First, enable the Developer tab in Excel. Go to File, then Options, Customize ribbon, and check the Developer box. This unlocks the tools we need to create our Userform. Now, in the Developer tab, click Visual Basic to open the VBA Editor. Here, we'll design our Userform. Go to Insert and select Userform. Drag and drop controls like text boxes, labels, and a command button onto the Userform. These will be the fields where users enter their data. Change the caption property of the labels to match the data you're collecting. For example, name, email, request. It's good practice to rename the controls in the Properties window. Change the name of each text box to something descriptive like name, text email, and text request. This makes them easier to reference in our VBA code. Double-click the command button to open its code window. Here, we'll write VBA code to capture the data from the form and send it to N8n using an HTTP request. You will need to add the proper code from the N8n documentation, but this is where you will capture and create the webhook. Over in N8n, set up a workflow with a webhook. Note, as the trigger, this will create a unique URL. Take that URL and add it to your VBA code so that the data from your Excel form will be sent to that webhook. Now, back in Excel, run your Userform, fill in the fields, and click the Submit button. Check your N8n workflow to see the data flowing in. That's it. You've successfully integrated Excel Userforms with N8n, allowing you to automate tasks based on user input directly from your spreadsheets.